A discovery both astonishing and mysterious has captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. From the depths of space, the James Webb Space Telescope has recorded a phenomenon unlike anything seen before. Faint glimmers of light, artificial in appearance, have emerged where darkness was expected. These subtle illuminations are neither random nor chaotic, they are structured, concentrated, and strangely familiar. Their source: a rocky exoplanet orbiting our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, known as Proxima b, just over 4 light-years away from Earth. Long considered one of the most promising planets for potential habitability, Proxima b now presents something far more provocative: the possibility of intelligent life. The lights detected are not like natural atmospheric phenomena. They resemble urban illumination, the kind produced by cities, infrastructure, and deliberate energy use. This revelation has electrified the astronomical community and ignited imaginations across the globe. For perhaps the first time, we may not just be observing a planet, but the traces of a civilization. Proxima b orbits its red dwarf star in a tight 11.2-day cycle and remains tidally locked, keeping one hemisphere in perpetual daylight while the opposite side is shrouded in eternal night. It is on this shadowed half that the mysterious glow has been detected, localized, consistent, intentional. This faint radiance prompted a focused observation campaign using JWST, humanity's most sensitive eye in the cosmos. Equipped with infrared sensors of unparalleled precision, the telescope peered deep into Proxima b's darkness and revealed a light signature that defies conventional planetary behavior. Planets usually emit thermal radiation based on natural atmospheric and geological activity, but Proxima b's night side radiates in a pattern more consistent with engineered illumination, structured, purposeful, and suggestive of cities, energy grids, or artificial constructs. Some scientists hypothesize that the day side of the planet may host energy collectors or solar arrays, channeling power to illuminate the night side. Such a civilization could be thriving in extreme conditions, adapted to life under constant shadows, and now subtly visible to us through the faint photons that have traveled across the void of space. Further analysis has revealed unusual thermal patterns. Heat is distributed in ways that do not align with natural geology or atmospheric circulation. These anomalies hint at the presence of structures, surface materials that absorb and emit heat in ways consistent with artificial activity. The implication: these could be urban regions, cities glowing in the darkness of a world unlike our own. To confirm this, astronomers are conducting atmospheric studies, looking for traces of oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide, and other molecules that suggest biological or industrial activity. A chemical imbalance in the atmosphere could indicate not just life, but technologically advanced processes. Ozone might hint at complex ecosystems or environmental management. All of this relies on decoding the faintest signals of light, photons that have traveled 4 years across interstellar space to reach JWST's mirrors. Proxima b is close on cosmic scales, yet so distant on human scales. Its rotation, thermal profiles, and chemical signals are now under constant monitoring, and every observation adds new clues to this unfolding mystery. If verified, this would constitute the first direct evidence of intelligence beyond Earth. Not a message or sound, but a pattern of light shaped by deliberate design. Some speculate that this civilization might have already vanished, leaving only its luminous legacy behind. Others hope it is still alive, observing the cosmos as we do, perhaps asking the same questions about the loneliness of life in the universe. This potential revelation challenges our understanding of what a civilization can look like, where it can thrive, and how it interacts with its environment. Perhaps life on Proxima b has evolved in ways unimaginable, adapting to eternal night, developing cities that shimmer like bioluminescent reefs, or utilizing subsurface habitats to manage extreme radiation from their red dwarf star. Future observatories, including the extremely ambitious Extremely Large Telescope set to begin operations in 2028, promise to transform our understanding of Proxima b. Unlike any telescope before it, this instrument will allow scientists to study the planet in extraordinary detail, probing its atmosphere not only for the traditional markers of habitability, water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, but also for more subtle indicators of intelligent activity. Industrial compounds, unusual chemical byproducts, or thermal signatures inconsistent with natural processes could all hint at the presence of a civilization that has learned to harness and manipulate its environment on a planetary scale. Meanwhile, radio observatories across Earth continue their patient vigil, scanning for deliberate signals hidden within the cosmic static. So far, they have heard nothing beyond the background hum of the universe, but silence does not necessarily indicate absence. A civilization may communicate using methods we cannot yet detect, light patterns, quantum signals, or technologies entirely foreign to human understanding. In a way, this silence is itself a mystery, a challenge to expand our scientific imagination and explore the vast possibilities of communication across the stars. The nature of the lights themselves raises profound questions. Are they the glowing cities of a thriving civilization, carefully structured and maintained? Or are they the fading remnants of a species that rose, flourished, and perhaps vanished millions of years before humans even existed? The timescales of the cosmos are vast, far exceeding the brief span of human history, and what we witness could be a civilization long gone, leaving behind only its luminous legacy. These lights may not have been intended for us, or even for any observer at all. They could be accidental, a byproduct of industrial activity, or a signal sent into the void with no specific recipient in mind. Yet, the photons have traveled across light years of interstellar space and now reach our instruments, inviting us to ponder the unimaginable. We are not alone, and the universe may hold intelligence far beyond our comprehension. This discovery reshapes how we think about life, civilization, and creativity. It humbles us, placing human conflicts, ambitions, and divisions into stark perspective against the immensity of space. In comparison, our political disputes, technological rivalries, and cultural struggles seem small and fleeting. The lights of Proxima b serve as a reminder that the impulse to create, to leave a mark upon the world, is not unique to our species. Perhaps the urge to illuminate the night, to impose order and design upon darkness, is universal, a fundamental expression of intelligence, curiosity, and survival. On Earth, our cities glow with electricity, signaling human ingenuity, and now, across the void, we may glimpse the echoes of a similar drive on an alien world. As we study Proxima b, the possibilities are both exhilarating and humbling. The lights may represent active civilizations, with technology, culture, and communities living under alien skies. Or they could be monuments of civilizations that have long since fallen, their structures and cities slowly succumbing to the passage of time, yet still casting a faint glow into the cosmos. Either scenario invites reflection. That intelligence can rise and fall, that civilizations are temporary stewards of their worlds, and that the universe may preserve traces of their existence long after they're gone. Perhaps the most profound realization is that these signals, this glow, may be more than evidence of another species. They may be a mirror of ourselves. In seeking out life and intelligence beyond Earth, we are also searching for meaning, for connection, and for understanding of our own place in the cosmos. The universe, vast and silent, has now offered a whisper of response. It has revealed that the night is not empty. Somewhere, on a world only 4 light years away, there may be beings who have learned to light their own darkness, to shape their environment, and to reach toward the stars in ways both familiar and alien.